You join me as I've found something truly unique and hidden gem in the art of Lucca. Most people don't associate Italy with being the birthplace of historic breweries, but right here in the palace we see across is where it all began. Today we're exploring one of Italy's very first breweries and stunning gardens that hide it at the Palazzo Pfanner. The first brewery in the Duchy of Lucca was established in 1846 by Austrian brewer Felix Pfanner in the cellars and garden of Palazzo Pfanner. Pfanner introduced German-style brewing to the city, creating a popular beer garden that operated until 1929. Felix Pfanner, hailing from Austria, rented space in what was then known as Palazzo Controne to start his beer production. The brewery was amongst the first in Italy. Palazzo Pfanner is now open to the public, featuring an 18th century garden and a museum with surgical instruments having been owned by the family since the 19th century. Palazzo Pfanner's garden is a stunning example of an 18th century Italian Baroque garden attributed to the renowned architect Filippo Guevara. At its core lies an octagonal fountain symbolising the four elements fire, air, earth and water, surrounded by statues of mythological and allegorical figures. The garden features 7 geometrically arranged lawn areas separated by gravel paths lined with antique terracotta pots holding lemon trees. The garden offers a peaceful retreat within the city walls of Lucca. I took full advantage of this by relaxing on one of the garden's benches, listening to the sounds emanating from the garden. And then a shower of rain came and I sheltered in the large lemon house at the bottom of the garden. Here is the large lemon house where we sheltered from the rain. Here we get a view of the fountain with the majestic palace backdrop. Here we can see the tower of the Basilica of San Frediano. The garden's layout also includes two 19th century bamboo groves, in which we see one here. Palazzo Pfanner has also served as a filming location for Portrait of a Lady, filmed in 1996, and hosts cultural events like Sounds of Lucca chamber music concerts. It was now time to go check out the museum on the first floor of the palace. Along the way we spotted someone checking that customers were paying to enter.